Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you, or an unbagging for you, from New Craft Day. I've opened some things from them before. I like the quality, so let's see if this holds up to scrutiny. So firstly, we've got, I think this was a partial. It's a little bit squished, but these canvases can put up with a little bit of squishing, so it's not the end of the world. Right. We've got fairly standard kit, boat wax pen and some plastic tweezers. We've got our drills and we've got our Tree of Life canvas. Now, as many of you that have followed my channel for a while will know, I am a Wiccan, a pagan, and therefore this symbolism just really spoke to me as being another. I'm always looking for ways that I can incorporate my belief system with my diamond painting, and this should be an absolute dream to do. And because it's a partial, it should also be very quick to do, so it will be a nice, an evening's project. This one is called Earth Tree. It is listed as a 30 by 40. Let's just have a little look. It is, yeah, 25 by 34. So it's not true to size, but that's fairly standard for this style of canvas. Absolute bargain at £4.50. So let's have a little look at the drill. So we've got 13 different drill colours. I think most of them are standard rhinestone. Have a look. There we go. So we've got a clear rhinestone. A very dark orange, possibly a red. Got a yellow gold, lovely emerald green, blue. Oh, where's those ones? That is a pale pink. These are sitting somewhere between blue and purple. I think they'll probably, next to the other blue, they'll probably look purple. Got some black rhinestones. You don't often get black rhinestones in these sort of partials. Quite often they'll just substitute it out with a black drill. Oh, are they different to, yeah, again we've got a brighter yellow gold here than we had earlier. This is a brown, which number 10. Yeah, so that's going to be the body of the tree. That's where we'll see that. Fabulous hot pink colour. And then we've got some larger faceted rounds, which are blue, and then some little blue flowers, which I have these drills in other colours actually, so I may switch a couple out. We'll see where they're being placed. So very, very simple legend. very easy to read, and in fact the whole canvas is incredibly clear in terms of where the drills get placed. The little flowers are in fact, is it just up there? Yeah, so it's just in this top section. 1, 2, 3, 4, just 5 little flowers up there. Just going around the top. Yeah, really, really nice. Nice, as I say, quick evening project. It shouldn't take me too long at all. Looking forward to it. I will be popping this under some weights just to give it a bit of a smooth out, because it has got a little bit crushed in postage. However, it's a very thick canvas and I don't know how well it would take to ironing. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, if you've followed me for a while, then you'll know I really like the diamond painted wreaths. I've done quite a few of them on the channel, particularly seasonal ones, and I spotted this one and I couldn't resist. So, ooh, quite different to the others that I've done in that it's a plasticky material, but not like the clear perspex that the butterfly was that I did. So it's also, I would say it is definitely smaller than the other ones that I've worked on. Oh, that's lovely. It comes with a chain. That's really good. So standard boat wax pen, but then also, ooh, we've got, oh, those are in there as well. They have given us there we go, 3 little jump rings and a chain with lobster clasps at the end. So this should mean, let's just have a look. 1, 2, ah yes, I see. I don't want to lose those, let's put them over there. So on the actual wreath itself, we've got 2 holes here and here. So I suspect what they're intending is for us to use the jump rings to go through these holes and then to attach the lobster clasp so that it can be hung up. This could do with a little bit of weight on it. It's a little bit bowed, but with all the pressing down that you're going to be doing while you place the diamonds, it's not going to be a problem at all. It is of course poured glue. I'm just going to take this off for a sec. If you do take these clear covers off, just be aware that there is a right way and a wrong way to put them back. If you put them back the wrong way, they will stick with surprising force, and it's very annoying. What I have done in the past, in fact I'm going to do now, is grab a little bit of washi tape, doesn't matter what, and just put that on the wrong side so that you know not to stick that side down onto your canvas. So now when I take that off, I can easily tell which is the right side and which is the wrong side, and we get to have a better look at this. So we've got butterflies, we've got poppies, we've got sort of very summery flowers. I'll put a picture up of what it will look like when it's finished, because as with a lot of these things, it's incredibly difficult to see what it'll look like when it's finished. Size wise, I said I thought it was smaller than the others. yeah, it's about 25 by 25. I think most of the other wreaths I've done have been around 30 centimetres, maybe a little bit more. But that's fine, nothing wrong with a little one. It's probably going to go up in the kitchen window or something when it's finished. So let's move that to the side, pop this back on for a moment. Perfect. And then we can have a look at the drills. The usual rattling. Okay, so we've got numbers and letters. So just very quickly run through these. So we've got rhinestones in green, crystal, red, pink, fabulous aqua blue colour, and then a darker green, sort of more of a blue green. That one is an orangey colour, very pale peachy sort of orange. Then we've got a more vibrant orange, we've got blue, and then we're into our shapes, which is where our letters start. So we've got red non-faceted teardrops, we've got a seed shape in a red non-facet, 2 packs of those. These are lovely, look at those. We've got, so these are like a pearlized purple teardrop, and then finally these are a faceted round with an AB kind of coating. So although they're an orange drill, they go through kind of pink and purple tones when the light hits. Those are lovely. Price wise, let's just go through that. This is Butterflies Diamond Craft Wreath. They list it as a 23 by 23 and it is £6.86, which is a brilliant price. I think that's really good. New Craft Day have been kind enough to give me an offer code for my subscribers to use, so that gives you 5% off every order, and the code for that will be on the screen now, and I will also leave that down in the description should you need to get it later, and there will be links to both of these products and to their main site as well. Additionally to my code, you can also get 2 free products if you spend more than $50. So yeah, as always, I will keep you updated on my progress with these. I will post some progress pictures on Instagram as always, or onto my Facebook page, which is The Crafty Witch UK, and then when I'm finished, these will be back for a post review. Until then, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.